Welcome back to this video series on organizing your front desk. Today we're going to talk about creating systems in your practice. Just like you have a protocol for every clinical procedure you provide to your patients, the front desk team tasks follow the same structure. There is a protocol to follow, for example, filling the schedule. You follow step by step, and then you end up with a full productive schedule for the practice. When you start to think about each task the front desk works on as having a protocol, you begin to realize that you can really impact the performance of your front desk team because you are providing them with step-by-step instructions on how you want each task handled. So this is a benefit to you, so you know what they are doing and how they are getting it done. And it's also a benefit for the team because they know what you want and they know how to do it. This is a sample of the download, the free download that's available on how to turn the ideal day that you may have downloaded already from the Resource Center into an actual system in your practice. It's not just using an ideal day when the staff or when your front desk team feels like it. It's actually turning that into a system. When we look at this ideal day and you start to see each of these tasks can be turned into an actual system in your practice, then it makes you really realize there are different examples of tasks that have systems. How to fill your schedule, for example. How to use the 1 to 31 day box. Systems for working on monthly and yearly recall. All sorts of tasks that you can turn into specific protocols so that your front desk team is successful and on task in your practice. So as we go through this video series together, I will provide you with lots of resources. Some of the video series will be free that provide you some downloads, and others will refer you to paid reports if you're interested in those. And if you're wondering how could I possibly create a step-by-step protocol for my staff when I'm in the back, you may be interested to know that you're welcome to subscribe to my training levels. You can see right here I have multiple levels as the staff advance. This is my secretary level 1 for a beginner, and you can kind of get a sense of each task. Here's the understands how to use the telephone professionally. And you can see some of the type of information. I'm kind of scrolling quickly down here. I'll slow down here in a minute. So you can see I'm writing down the basics. For example, don't say baby teeth. Do say primary teeth. Some basic language that's helpful for your front desk team. I insert a section on philosophy, so that can be customized for your practice. And it includes a lot of the basics. It includes some sample dialogues, again, all with the idea of really providing basic training. And to turn it into an actual system in your practice, we talk about here's how to get checked off or approved. That there are a series of questions that they need to write the answers to and then turn in and get checked off. So today's free download is a step-by-step instructions that I gave you a glimpse of earlier on how to implement the ideal day into your practice and make that into a system. Thanks for listening.